Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable or turn on Copilot on Taskbar in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable Copilot on Taskbar in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down. You will find here Taskbar. Click on Taskbar and you will find here Copilot, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now look, Copilot is showing on my Taskbar. This is the easiest way to enable Copilot on Taskbar in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.